I have found a small baby bird. It's sitting on the other side here, but I'm not sure what type of bird it is and if I can catch it on the camera. It's sitting there. It's a small one. I don't know if I can get any closer here. I think it's the mother here also making sounds. She's probably very disturbed. Let's see if we can get this one better. It could fly a small little bit. It's sitting here, down there. Sitting completely still. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Inside of there.